Hello everyone, this is Ming Tao Design Channel. As you can see with this list, it can be scrolled up and down. Each card in the list will appear with a delete icon after a sideways slide. Whenever you delete any card in the list, the card below it will appear upwards. I'm going to show you how to use Figma to achieve this effect. With our frame choice of iPhone 16, we need to add the iOS component. Next, we need to create a 4-column grid layout with a 24-pixel margin. Moving on to the core unit of this tutorial, creating interactive cards. First, I add all the elements to the card and make sure they fit into a grid layout with 24-pixel margins. Then, organizing these elements and converting them into a frame. The important thing to note here is that the text frame must be within the card frame. The important thing to note here is that the text frame must be within the card frame. After tweaking the details, we need the card frame to add the two buttons delete and mute within the card frame. Again, these two buttons need to be converted to frames. Rename this frame to card default. Make another copy of this frame, name it card_drag, and move the two buttons and the text frame parallel to the left. Make another copy of this frame and name it card_disappear. Select the three frames and create the component set, with the first two frames linked in a drag and drop fashion. When the delete button is clicked, the card disappearance can be accompanied by elasticity, so you can choose to customize it. Finally, you need to change the height of card_disappear frame to 0.01 and transparency to 0. At this point, the interactive card component is created. Check the Clip Content box to hide all content that extends beyond the card frame. Add the rest of the elements needed for this page and create the frame. Drag the card component onto the page and create an automatic layout. Hold down the Command key to select all the circles and text to populate the avatar and name via the plugin. Make another copy of this page, move the y-axis position of all the frames, and add vertical scrolling to the list. Finally, link the two pages with drag and drop. At this point, the side sliding delete effect is all done.